Welcome to Privage. Elevate your web experiences with expert JavaScript solutions. Welcome to the realm of dynamic web experiences powered by JavaScript. At Privage, we specialize in delivering cutting-edge solutions that transform ordinary websites into immersive, interactive platforms that captivate and engage users. Let's delve deeper into how our JavaScript services can elevate your online presence. Why choose JavaScript? JavaScript boasts a plethora of features that empower developers to create cutting-edge web applications. Key features: dynamic content updates. Seamlessly update web content without page reloads for a smooth user experience. Interactive user interfaces. Create intuitive UI elements to engage users and enhance satisfaction levels. Client-side validation. Ensure data integrity with robust client-side validation mechanisms. Single-page applications. Develop modern, efficient SPAs that provide native app-like experiences. Asynchronous programming. Utilize non-blocking techniques for quick application responses. Browser APIs and libraries. Access advanced features for enhanced functionality and user experience. Lightweight scripting language. Efficient and easy to integrate into web pages and applications. Dynamic typing. Write code more quickly and with greater flexibility. Object-oriented programming support. Create modular and reusable code for streamlined development. Functional style. Choose from multiple paradigms based on project requirements. Prototype-based. Flexible and powerful approach to object creation and inheritance. Interpreted language. Execute code directly for faster development cycles. Single-threaded. Simplifies concurrency management for enhanced performance. Asynchronous processing. Efficient handling of non-blocking operations for improved responsiveness. Back-end development. Extend JavaScript's use cases beyond the browser with server-side programming. Animation and graphics. Transform your web applications with stunning visual effects using JavaScript's animation and graphics capabilities. Platform independence. Ensure consistent performance across devices with JavaScript's platform-independent code execution. Efficiency and responsiveness. Deliver optimal user experiences with efficient and responsive web applications powered by JavaScript. How we work. Comprehensive consultation. Understand your business objectives, target audience, and requirements. Meticulous planning. Plan and execute implementation using the latest frameworks and best practices. Thorough testing. Ensure robustness and user-friendliness through rigorous testing and quality assurance. JavaScript web development. Craft dynamic and responsive web applications tailored to your needs with our JavaScript expertise. JavaScript UI development. Create engaging user interfaces using popular UI libraries like React, jQuery, and D3 for intuitive navigation and interaction. JavaScript API integration. Enhance functionality by seamlessly integrating third-party APIs and services into your web applications. JavaScript maintenance and support. Keep your applications running smoothly with our comprehensive maintenance and support services. JavaScript animation and graphics. Enhance your web applications with captivating animations and graphics, elevating user experiences with visual appeal and engagement. Elevate your web experiences with our expert JavaScript solutions. Partner with Privage and unlock the power of dynamic interactivity tailored to your specific needs. Contact us now